Welcome everyone to this month's unboxing. This is going to be a quick one. We only have 3 things to open this month. We have Allure Beauty Box, Vela Box, and Annie's Attic. So I'm excited to see what we have. So I don't know what's going on with Splendies. There's been some issue with shipping. Like I haven't received it even though it was shipped the past 2 months. I did get billed for Ipsy today, so that'll be coming next month. But yeah, we just give a little one today. I can't remember. I feel like there's something else missing. Oh, I canceled Scentbird. I just feel like I have so much perfume at the moment. I don't really need it right now, you know? But anyways, let's just get into it. Oh, my little baby woke up from her nap. You might see Emmy come join us. She's pretty close near here. She looks sleepy. So let's start off with Allure Beauty Box. So I paid for this one myself. Hi, sweetheart. You guys, oh, you can't see her. Come here. Oh, there, you can kind of see her. Oh, she's so cute. It's almost her birthday. You're gonna be 9. My Pisces baby. But Allure, let's focus. And there's a cute cat around. I can't do that. But Allure is $25 a month. Again, I paid for this one myself. I've been loving this box. I use like every item, even the hair item. And I feel like my hair does look a little like shinier and healthier. Maybe I should have brushed it before hitting film, but this is what it looks like when you open it. We look at this for pricing and everything like that. Some offer they have or add-ons or something. But here's a little sneak peek. I can't remember if we customized anything. I feel like we have been customizing a lot. Ooh, looks like we have some good items. I'm excited. I love Allure. Okay, I think it's totally worth the $25. So I guess the theme is winter romance. Oh, we did. Oh my God, I'm excited about this. Good thing I canceled my perfume subscription. I'm getting a perfume in here. It's a solid perfume. I don't know if I've ever tried anything like this. Let's find it. Yeah, okay, this is it. So this is the Cydia, the solid perfume in braless or soaked. I chose the scent braless, which is the way I like to be. Oh my God, just so cute. And this has notes of leather and vanilla. Can you smell it? You have such a good sense of nose. Sense of smell. I can't smell it yet. Let's get it open. And this is $48. She's very active today. Oh, it's cute. It's small, but it's got some weight to it. Like, it really does. Oh, I'm excited. Okay, let's. Ooh, it smells so good. You know, I only sprayed myself like briefly earlier with this one scent called like Too Deep or something, which is a vanilla scent. So this is perfect. Okay, let's feel it. So yeah, it's like a balm. Oh my God, it smells really good. Like earthy. What were the scents again? Was there leather and vanilla? Okay. Oops, I put my nose in it. I really like this. I wonder if the lasting power stays longer with this. Oh, I'll have to see, but I really like the scent. Let's see if it'll tell me with the other one. So Soaked was a warm woody scent with notes of cypress, cedarwood, and amber. Yeah, maybe mine, I don't know, I thought I smelled wood. I think that's just a leather scent. But I like this a lot. And just a little dab of it, I can smell it really well. Oh my gosh, yay, I'm super excited and it's so cute. And again, it's small so it can fit in your bag easily. There is some weight to it, but it's not like it's gonna weigh your arm down. It's so cute. Oh my God, I'm excited. Oh, I like it a lot. I feel like that's something I would wear like to any occasion, you know? Oh, I'm excited. So the next item is by First Aid Beauty. This is their Bronze and Glow Drops with Niacinamide. I've been using that Tarte bronzer that we got, was that 2 months ago? I use that and I really like it. So this is $28. So this is like what we pay for. Ooh, I'm excited. Okay, let's see how dark it is. I'm guessing this is one that you can really like blend out. Yeah, so I wonder if this is one, you know, sometimes people use these. Oh, I saw 444 on the clock. We'll put this like underneath their foundation to get a full like glow look. At least people, oh wow, it's like coming out the top a lot now. Should I just put more on my hand? Yeah, because I'll just go to waste. So this is what it looks like. That's a lot. I just spell. So it's not too shiny. I like that. Oh wow, that really does give you a bronze. I'm not gonna put all of that on. So a little bit will go a long way if you're my coloring or around there. But let's see what it says here. Does it have a smell? I don't think so, I just smell the perfume. So you can put it in your moisturizer. Yeah, that's what I think I was thinking of. Or wear it solo as a serum or as a highlighter, like on your cheekbones. Okay, I'm excited to play around with this. I feel like I need more color. So I've been doing like goals every month. I don't know if I've mentioned this before for 2026. In March, I want to get outside every day. I realize I don't go outside much. I mean, obviously I like walk back and forth, you know, my car and stuff like that, but I don't spend a lot of time outside because I used to walk a lot, but now I do workout classes, so I want to get outside more. And I could tell I need it too, so I'm going to use this in the meantime to make it look like I'm already spending time outside. It's getting warm here. I'm like literally sweating. It was really cold in Florida for a little bit, but it's like in the 80s today. I'm a little warm. I'm a little bit warm, but let's keep going. So next up we have something by Uzo. I believe that, yeah, that must be how you say it, right? Uzo. Black liquid eyeliner. It looks like this is a felt tip liner. I'm not gonna open it and show you because I never use eyeliner, so I might share this with someone. I'm like, maybe one day I'll switch. But yeah, it does look like it's a felt tip, right? Which could be nice. And this is $24. So yeah, I don't know. I have a black eyeliner now, but it's like a pencil. Maybe I'll start one day. You know, I feel like I'm due for like an upgrade. I say this all the time. But anyways, let's move on to the next item. Looks like we have some skincare here. Propolis Lipserin by CNP. So I think this actually is, wait, is this a lip? What is this? It's a balm. Oh, it is for your lips. Okay, $17.90. This looks like it'll last a while if this is for your lips. Look at this. It melts down like butter the first time it hits your lips. Oh, a little bit came out. It kind of has like that Carmex look. Do you see it just came out on top? Oh, I'll totally use this. I love stuff like this. I was sick the past few weeks. I'm fine now. It kind of sucked. I had like the cold, whatever the hell was going around. And my lips got dry, and I feel like I have a dry like side of my lip here. You know how that happens, especially in like winter. So I need something like this. This sounds awesome. It feels awesome. So it's just like a thick lip balm. Kind of has a little bit of a scent. Like honey? I don't know. What does that smell? Yeah, because it has honey in it. It says it has Manuka honey. And then resin-like propolis extract, so it's really moisture packed. Nice, I'll totally use that. And I feel like, look at this, I feel like it'll last a long time. Let's keep going. Ooh, okay, we have by QCO Naturel. I've definitely had something from this brand before. This is their Revitalizing Roll-On Cuticle Oil. I actually use cuticle oil at night a lot. Like I have, God, it's a popular brand. It like has roses in it. But this looks like it's a roll-on, which may be, you know, easier to use. It's not the one that like looks like nail polish. Milk and honey. This is $5.69. But my hands are on camera a lot. You know, I do tarot readings and astrology as well, but my hands are mostly in the frame for tarot. And I try and keep up with it, you know. I just got my nails done on Wednesday, actually. So here's what it looks like. Milk and honey. Yeah, this is really easy and nice to use. Use it on all of them now. It has a nice scent. Nice. Yeah, it says you can pop it in your bag. It's great for on the go. I probably will just leave it like in my bathroom or on my desk. And it's not too greasy. You know, sometimes it's like too much. I think the rollerball makes it so you don't have excess on your skin. That's nice. And last but not least, oh, okay, we have a little deluxe size here. I think everything else was full size besides this. This is by Sephora, and it's Express Waterproof Makeup Remover. Love stuff like this. For mascara especially. So, and I do kind of travel sometimes, so I'll probably put this in my travel bag and have this be my makeup remover, especially if it's express, you know, it can take it off quick. Nice. Yeah, see, I love Allure. These are like things I will use, like seriously. The eyeliner is questionable, but I get why they put that in. So many people wear eyeliner all the time, you know. It's just, I'm a minimalist these days with makeup stuff. But I like that the other makeup item, you know, is a bronzer drops, and it's kind of like skincare too, because niacinamide. Yeah, maybe it's more like skincare. But I like how we get, you know, a wide variety of items instead of hair, because a lot of times we'll get a hair item. And it seems like this one, we got the nail item. So I'm happy with it. Totally worth $25. My favorite item is the perfume. It smells so good, and I just like the whole idea of it. And you can do it discreetly. You're not like spraying yourself in public if you want to refresh, and that can kind of like bother other people sometimes, you know. So I'm really excited about that. Yay! And talking about scents, let's move on to VeloBox next. So VeloBox is a candle subscription. So I do get one NPR and one PR. Yeah, this is PR, and I had another one that was a paid one. The glass seemed like it broke in that one, so we're just opening this one today. That never happens. I've been getting it since 2016, 10 years. And it's never happened, so I'm not mad about it. You know, it's bound to happen every once in a while, and it's shipped by Amazon. But I love this. They have 3 different subscription tiers. We're opening the one that's $30, which is the most expensive. The difference is the size candle you get. There is a scent profile you fill out. The candles are so good. Oh my God, they're made by local artisans throughout the United States, so they support small businesses, which is great. The burn time is amazing. The candle smells are so good. You get an extra item each month, and the candles come in cute canvas bags. And of course, for February, we have like flower romance theme. How cute is this? So yeah, I have a promo code with VeloBox. It is down below. You can get $5 off any of these items. It also works on gift subscriptions. I always say VeloBox is the best gift. Who doesn't love candles? 3, 6, 12-month gifts. They also have a shop. So yeah, check that out. I highly recommend for yourself and for others. My mom's been getting it since 2016 as well. So our candles this month are from Noteworthy Candle Co. And they're based out of Canton, Georgia. This is seriously so cute. Okay. Ooh, and my candle this month is called Valentine, and it's from the Sweet and Spice category. Oh my God, I'm so excited to smell this. Okay, let's get it out. Oh my God, I'm so excited to smell it. So here's what the label looks like. It says, exclusively scented with notes of juicy strawberry, oak, vanilla cream, and apricot nectar. Oh my gosh, 16-ounce soy candle. I'm so excited. Oh my God, you can totally smell the strawberry. That's what I was hoping. I'm like, oh my God, yes. I don't think I've ever had strawberry scented candle. It smells so good. Oh my gosh, so yummy. Yeah, the notes of strawberry, sugar, apricot nectar, vanilla, and cream. I feel like you can get all of that. It's definitely creamy, you know? It's just like strawberry and cream. Instead of like peaches and cream, strawberry and cream. Oh my gosh. Oh, okay, since we don't smell vision, we'll take a breath in and I'll read the scent description so you can imagine. Ready? Valentine smells like the first bite of a sugar-dusted strawberry. Bright, sweet, and instantly happy. Juicy fruit melts into soft vanilla and whipped cream, leaving a velvety finish that you'll want to linger in. Oh, what a great description. Oh my God, this might be my favorite in a while. I love it so much. It's just so decadent and yummy. I haven't eaten added sugar in the month of February besides on Fat Tuesday. I cheated. That was my thing. So I haven't been eating sugar, and I realize I'm an addict. Well, I'm getting over it now. I don't crave it as much, but maybe just smelling it will do it for me because it's really smelling good. It smells so yummy. Oh my God, like dessert. I love it. Oh, okay, one more. You guys have to try that. It's so good. Oh my gosh. And then we get a little extra Valentine body oil. I love body oils. I've gotten body oil from VeloBox before, not this one specifically, but I think they make really good ones. The scent profiles have been great. So this one is notes of juicy strawberry, oak, and vanilla cream and apricot nectar. So wait, is this the same scent as my candle? I just realized they have the same name. Oh my gosh, yes. I get to smell like my candle and I love it so much. I'm so excited. Wow, that just like made my day. That's so amazing. I love it. Oh my God, after I shower, I'm gonna put that on. And then we get a Spotify playlist called Blush Hour. So this is curated by Velobox. It says your cross-genre mix for catching feelings. Romantic songs that flirt, flutter, and hit you right in the heart. Listen and burn to let the sparks fly. So that's cool. You can just scan that and listen to it. So I love Velobox. Oh my God, this is so good this month. I can't believe I get this oil. It smells just like it. Love it so much. Okay, now let's move on to our last subscription here, and this is the Creative Woman of the Month Club by Annie's Attic. It's $19.99. I used to have a promo code with them. I don't know if it works anymore because they switched affiliate platforms and I just never joined it. But you can try KB50. Maybe they put everything. I don't think I'll get paid, but if it helps you, yeah. So this one is sent to me. Nothing is ever sponsored here on the channel. I just forgot to say that earlier, but nothing's sponsored here. People are like, duh. Okay, oh, and I love it. So the craft of the month is Easter gingham. Oh gosh, I always read this word, but I've never like said it. Gingham towels. It's a gingham, that one print, you know? Oh my God, cute. Oh my God, you actually like embroider it or like sew? That's so cool. So look at all the pretty Easter spring colors they have here. So let's kind of open this. I don't want to get everything. Okay, good. There's an easy one. They give you a little thing here that goes step by step, like with pictures and how to complete everything. So let's see. Yeah, so you stitch. Oh, I've never stitched anything in my life. So in your kit, you get tea towels, printed designs on Aida cloth, embroidery hoop, embroidery needles, embroidery floss, and a needle threader. So the only thing you need from home are scissors and a ruler. And I think most of us have that, right? You can even like print out a ruler if you needed to or something, you know, or use your iPad. I feel like everyone has that stuff. So you get everything you need. And then you get step-by-step instructions. So I think this is great. You get a craft, you get the experience. You can do it with yourself or with loved ones, you know. And then you get the items. So I always think stuff like this is awesome. And you get to learn new things. And it's so cute. Let's look at the finished ones here. This is what it looks like, the finished little items. Oh my gosh. And I love that they give you some time. So Easter is in April this year, right? And this was the February one. So you have like time to do it. You don't need to like rush and get it done. So they give seasonal stuff. It's so cute. I mean, the price isn't bad. And if you want to check out, they have a bunch of other different craft subscriptions as well. I'm just playing with that tiny Velobox. You know, it comes, yeah, she's so cute. But I think this is so great. So cute. It's like, all levels can do it because again they give you step-by-step instructions and it's a different craft each month. I can't get over how cute these colors are. I just love this color scheme, like that blue and green in there. I love it. What do you think, Emmy? She likes the sound of plastic. Come closer so people can see your cute face. I love you deeply. I love you guys. That's it for February. Short and sweet. I always enjoy doing these videos. I know we don't do them much here anymore, but if you guys do want to keep in touch more, I am very much more active on my other channel, Kitty Rising Tarot. And yeah, I love you guys so much and I appreciate you so much. Please subscribe if you haven't already, like this video, leave a comment, and do something special for yourself today. You deserve it. I love you. Bye.